How to use PowerShare on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on wireless power sharing. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, wireless power sharing will be turned on from your phone. After turning on this button, put the center of your phone back to back with another device. If you have trouble connection or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. Now click on battery limit, set battery limit and click on OK. This is how you can use PowerShare on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.